Does your child come home and say, "I hate maths," or "I can't do maths"? If you're keen to help them, but not sure how to, then follow my videos and I'll show you through step by step. This video will teach you a ones and tens trading game, which all my students love and are always asking to play. To play this game, you'll need a small whiteboard for each player or a piece of paper each, at least one dice, and some single blocks or bricks. I use place value blocks, which you can see above the whiteboard here. However, units of Lego, as shown on the right, or other blocks that you can stick together will work fine too. Mark up the whiteboards, as shown here, with a column for the ones, the tens, and the hundreds, labelled O for ones, T for tens, and H for hundreds. First, decide what number you're going to be racing to. For this example, let's choose the number 50. Players take it in turns to roll one dice and take that number of single blocks to then place in their ones column. Encourage your child to stack the blocks in the ones column, as I've shown here, neatly one underneath another. The reason for this is so they can easily see when they've reached a 10, because it'll be the same size as a 10 stack. They then write the number that they've got underneath in the ones column. As you can see here, they rolled a 6. They took 6 blocks, stacked them, and then wrote the number 6 underneath. On their second turn, each player will be adding to what they already have. So here, player 1 has rolled a 3. They add 3 more blocks to their column, which now gives them a 9. So they rub out the 6 they had written in the ones column and write a 9 instead. On their next turn, player 1 has rolled a 4, so they take 4 more blocks. Encourage them to place one of these blocks in the stack of 9 they already had to make a 10, and then the other 3 as a new stack underneath, as shown. Encourage your child to use the ready-made stacks of 10 to compare to. Now comes the trading. Player 1 can now trade their 10 individual unit bricks into a stack of 10 and place this in the tens column. That leaves them 3 still in the ones column. So they write a 1 in the tens column for 1 10 and a 3 in the ones column for 3 ones. Play continues, taking the bricks and rewriting the total score each time. Here, player 1 has rolled a 5 and so has made their second stack of 10. They trade their 10 ones for a 10 stack and write a 2 in the tens column and a 1 in the ones column. Ask your child to try saying that number. 2 tens is 20 and another 1, so that's 21. Play continues until the first player gets to the agreed score, which in this case was 50 or above. As shown, this player has won. There's so much maths learning to be had from this simple game, and the children love it. It's easy to adapt the game to your child's individual needs. Please ask any questions in the comments section, and I can answer about how to adapt to your individual child's needs and what learning goals you can meet by playing this game. By discussing it in different ways, you can actually meet various learning goals all through this one game. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. It helps me to continue to create videos to help you to help your child.